Did you know? Papaya seeds kill intestinal parasites and reduce bloating. Apples give you more energy than a cup of coffee. Warm lemon water dissolves plaque in the intestinal walls. Cucumber reduces eye bags. Clove oil is the best for healthy gums and teeth. Eating 2 kiwis before bed will increase melatonin and sleep quality. Pumpkin seeds will eliminate parasites in your gut. Coconut oil whitens teeth and eliminates bacteria. Eating half a cup of grapes will clear the colon and help relieve constipation. Eating 15 almonds will help stop headaches. Ginger water will help burn fat and stop bloating. Eating pomegranate seeds will help with hair growth. Coconut oil removes bacteria and freshens breath. Applying papaya on a sunburn will heal the skin. Cinnamon tea lowers blood pressure and improves circulation. Eating oranges will improve collagen production. If nature don't make it, don't take it.